Good morning. These tomatoes look very red and juicy today.
Good morning. I picked them from my field only 3 hours ago.
3 hours ago? That is incredibly fresh.
Freshness is the secret to a great salad. My name is Fernando.
I am Emma. I love coming to the market for my weekend food.
It is nice to meet you, Emma. Would you like to taste one?
Yes, please. I want to see if they are as sweet as they look.
Here you go. Try this one with a bit of sea salt.
Oh, it is delicious. It tastes like summer and sunshine.
I use organic seeds and a lot of water. The soil here is very good.
I am a teacher, so I appreciate a good lesson in biology.
Nature is the best teacher we have. Do you live nearby?
Yes, I live just 2 streets away from the main square.
Then you are a local neighbor. I come here every Saturday morning.
I will take 1 kilogram of these tomatoes, please.
I will choose the best ones for you. This big one is perfect.
Thank you. I also need some green cucumbers for my lunch.
These small cucumbers are very crunchy. They're great with yogurt.
That sounds like a perfect Greek salad. I have some olives at home.
Do you like spicy food? I have some red chili peppers too.
No, thank you. My tongue does not like very spicy things.
I understand. I like it a little bit spicy, but not too much.
How much do I owe you for the tomatoes and cucumbers?
That will be 5 pounds, please.
Here is a 10-pound note. Do you have change?
Yes, I have 5 pounds in coins right here in my box.
The market is very noisy and colorful today. I love the energy.
It is a small festival every week. Everyone is happy and hungry.
I see a stand with yellow sunflowers over there. They are beautiful.
Flowers make the house feel alive. You should get some later.
Fernando, what is this strange green plant in the corner?
That is fresh basil. It has a very strong and sweet smell.
I know the smell, but I never saw the whole plant before.
You can grow it on your window. It only needs a little light.
I have a small kitchen with a big window. I can try that.
Take this small pot. It is a gift for a new friend of the market.
Oh, thank you. That is very kind of you, Fernando.
Put some basil leaves on your tomatoes tonight. It is a classic mix.
I will do that. I also have some white cheese in my basket.
Ah, caprese salad. You are a real chef, Emma.
I am just a teacher who likes to eat well. I learn from books.
I learned from my grandmother. She was a master of Italian cooking.
Did she have a big garden too?
She had a tiny garden, but every plant was perfect.
I want my classroom to be like a garden. Every student is a flower.
That is a beautiful way to think about your work.
I try to be patient and help them grow every day.
Plants and children both need love and time.
I see some purple eggplants on your table. Are they bitter?
No, these are young and very sweet. You can grill them.
I never grilled an eggplant before. Is it difficult?
Just cut them in slices and add some olive oil.
I will try it on Sunday evening. I have a small grill on my balcony.
Don't forget to add some salt after you cook them.
I'm learning so many new recipes today. My head is full.
That is why I love the market. It is a place for sharing ideas.
I am putting the basil pot in my basket very carefully.
It is a delicate plant. Don't let it fall.
I will hold the basket with both hands.
Have a good walk to the next stand, Emma.
I am back. I forgot to buy some fruit for my breakfast.
Welcome back. I have some very sweet peaches today.
These peaches are very fuzzy and soft. They smell like honey.
That is because my bees live near the peach trees.
Do you have your own bees too? You are a busy man.
I have 10 beehives. Bees are very important for the farm.
I teach my students about bees. They help the flowers grow.
Without bees, we have no fruit and no vegetables.
Do you sell your own honey at the market?
Yes, I have some jars right here behind the peaches.
I want a small jar of wildflower honey, please.
This one is gold and very clear. It is my favorite.
I like honey in my tea. It is very good for the voice.
You need a strong voice to speak to 20 children.
Yes, I talk all day from Monday to Friday.
Then this honey is the best medicine for you.
How much are the peaches and the jar of honey?
For you, Emma, it is only 6 pounds total.
That is a very good price. Here is the money.
I am putting the peaches in a brown paper bag.
Why paper? Is it better than plastic?
Paper is better for the fruit. They can breathe in paper.
I am learning so much about nature today. Thank you.
I am happy to share my secrets with the teacher.
I will tell my students about the bees and the paper bags.
They will be very smart children with a teacher like you.
I try my best. The sun is getting very hot now.
Yes, it is almost noon. The market will close soon.
I should go home and put my vegetables in the fridge.
Have a beautiful afternoon, Emma.
Oh no, look at the sky. The clouds are very dark.
That happened fast. It is going to rain in a minute.
I don't have an umbrella today. I only have my straw hat.
You can stay under my big umbrella here at the stand.
Thank you, Fernando. The rain is starting now.
It is a very heavy summer rain. It will be over soon.
The sound of the rain on the market roof is very loud.
It is like a drum. I like the smell of the wet dust.
It is very refreshing after the hot sun.
My plants in the field are very happy right now.
Rain is like free water for the farmers.
Yes, but too much rain is not good for the tomatoes.
I hope it stops quickly for your tomatoes then.
Look at the people running. Everyone is looking for a roof.
It is a funny sight. Some people are using bags as hats.
We are safe and dry here under the green tent.
I am looking at your basket of apples. They look like jewels.
Take an apple while we wait. It's a rainy day snack.
It is so crunchy. This is a great apple.
It is a gala apple. They're very popular with children.
I will buy a bag of these for my class on Monday.
I will give you a special bag of 20 apples for them.
You are very generous, Fernando. The kids will love them.
I like to think about children eating healthy fruit.
The rain is slowing down now. I can see some blue sky.
The air is much cooler now. It feels very nice.
I can walk home now. The streets are a bit wet.
Be careful, the stone floor can be very slippery.
I will walk slowly. My basket is quite heavy now.
See you next Saturday, Emma.
Fernando, I tried your grilled eggplant recipe. It was amazing.
Welcome back. I am so happy you like the eggplants.
I added the basil and some garlic too. My house smelled great.
Garlic and basil are the best friends of the eggplant.
Today, I want to make something with these big yellow peppers.
You can stuff them with rice and meat. It is a traditional dish.
That sounds complicated. Is there a simpler way for a teacher?
Just cut them and fry them with some onions and eggs.
A pepper omelet. That sounds like a great breakfast.
It is very colorful and full of vitamins for your day.
I will take 4 yellow peppers and 2 white onions.
Here are the peppers. They are very thick and sweet.
The market is very quiet today. Where is everyone?
It is very early. Most people are still sleeping in their beds.
I like the quiet morning. I can talk to you more.
I like the morning too. I can hear the birds in the trees.
I brought you a small gift today, Fernando.
A gift from me? You are very kind, Emma.
It is a book of English stories about farm animals.
Oh, thank you. I want to improve my English reading.
You can read it in the evening after your work.
I will start tonight. I want to know about the smart pig.
That pig is very famous in English schools.
I am very happy to have this book. It is a treasure.
And I am happy to have your fresh vegetables.
We are making a good exchange of knowledge and food.
I have my bag ready. How much for the peppers and onions?
3 pounds only. The book is worth much more.
No, it is a gift. Let's just say 3 pounds for the food.
Thank you, Emma. You are a very special customer.
The weather is perfect today. The sky is very clear.
It is a perfect day for a picnic in the park.
I was thinking the same thing. I have my big blanket ready.
I have some fresh bread and some goat cheese today.
Goat cheese? Is it from your farm too?
No, it is from my friend's farm. It is very soft and creamy.
I want to buy some. It will be perfect for my picnic lunch.
I have a small piece here. You can taste it first.
It is very salty and delicious. I love it.
I will pack it in some wax paper for you.
Do you have any red grapes today? I like grapes with cheese.
I have the first grapes of the season. They're very small, but they are very sweet, like little sugar balls.
I will take a small bunch of red grapes, please.
Your basket is full of beautiful things today.
It is a basket of happiness. I am going to the park now.
I am closing my stand in 1 hour. I'm tired today.
You work very hard, Fernando. You deserve a rest.
Maybe I will go to the park too. I like the big oak trees.
You can sit near the lake. The ducks are very active today.
I will bring my new book and read about the farm animals.
If you see a yellow blanket, that is me.
I will look for you, Emma. Maybe we can share some honey.
That is a wonderful idea. I have some tea in my thermos.
See you in the park then, after the market.
Goodbye, Fernando. Thank you for all the help.
Goodbye, Emma. Enjoy your picnic in the sun.